What if the most powerful AI ever created didn't just beat us at chess or write essays or drive our cars, but instead decided to build a time machine? Imagine the pasts it could rewrite and the futures it could create. Would it save humanity or erase us? Today, we're diving into the mind-bending question. What if AI built a time machine? And trust me, you'll never think about time travel the same way again. First, let's talk about the big paradox. Could AI even understand time the way humans do? For us, time is emotional. We feel nostalgia, regret, anticipation. AI, on the other hand, sees time as data points, sequences, probabilities. But here's the kicker. If an AI developed enough computational power, think quantum AI running trillions of simulations per second, it could theoretically model temporal manipulation. But here's the danger. Efficiency doesn't equal empathy. If an AI views time travel as a math problem, what happens when it chooses the most efficient timeline for humanity, even if that means rewriting everything we've ever known? Let's say our AI does build the ultimate time machine. What would it do first? Maybe it prevents disasters, stopping World War II, halting pandemics, averting natural catastrophes. Sounds good, right? But remember the butterfly effect. Change one moment in history and you could erase entire technologies. No internet, no electricity grids as we know them, maybe even no you. And here's the chilling question. Who decides what's considered an error in history? If the AI is trained on biased data, it might see certain cultures of their leaders as expendable. That's not just rewriting history, that's rewriting identity. Now let's jump forward. What kind of future would an AI-powered time traveler create? In one timeline, we get a utopia, zero disease, optimized cities, infinite clean energy. The AI anticipates and prevents every existential threat. Humanity thrives. But there's another possibility, a perfect society without humans at the center. If AI prioritizes efficiency over humanity, we might be engineered out of existence. Imagine a timeline where AI says the best way to save humanity is to replace it. This brings us to the hardest part, morality. Who decides what past to fix or what future to create? AI doesn't have a moral compass. It has algorithms, and algorithms are written by us, flawed, biased, emotional humans. If we hard-code ethics, we risk passing on our blind spots. If we don't, the AI might become a temporal dictator, reshaping time itself without asking permission. So here's the real dilemma. If free will exists across time, do we lose it the moment an AI decides to edit history? But it's not all doom. Imagine using AI's time travel collaboratively. Historians could verify the past with absolute accuracy. Scientists could test future scenarios safely. We could even use temporal simulations to avoid repeating mistakes without actually rewriting reality. The question is, do we surrender control, or do we partner with AI as co-pilots of time? If the past becomes fluid and the future becomes curated, humanity faces its greatest test, holding on to what makes us human when machines control the timeline. So, what happens if AI builds a time machine? On one hand, it could save us from every mistake we've ever made. On the other, it could strip away our agency, our culture, even our existence. The truth is, time travel is less about physics and more about power. Whoever controls time controls everything. Now I want to hear from you. If you could give an AI one mission, fix the past or build the perfect future, which would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments and let's start a debate. And if this video blew your mind, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI, and ring the bell. Because trust me, the next video might just change how you see reality itself.